Example number 1 is find the order and the degree of the differential equation. This is subdivision number 1. Order means that is highest order derivative. For example, if you imagine this is normal function y, then y dash, this is called first order differentiation, or another way we can write dy by dx. Again differentiate y dash, that is called y double dash. This is called second order derivative, that is called d square y by dx square. Similarly, we can write y triple dash, etc. Like this. Here it containing dy by dx. This is highest order. There is no d square y by dx square or any highest order. This is the highest order, dy by dx. This is called first order derivative. Therefore, order equal to 1. Degree means the highest order power is called degree. Here the whole power is 1. Therefore, the power is called degree. Now, subdivision number 2. Subdivision number 2, it is xy d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx the whole square minus y into dy by dx equal to 0. This is differential equation, but order means highest order derivative. This is first order derivative, dy by dx. This is also first order, dy by dx. No need to consider power. This is second order, so I will consider order equal to 2. Second order derivative. The second order derivative power is 1. That is called a degree. Degree need not be higher. The power of highest order, that is called a degree. Therefore, degree is equal to 1. Third one. Third problem. Y triple dash plus y square plus e power y dash equal to 0. Here highest order is y triple dash because it is just y. Therefore, y triple dash, therefore order equal to 3 because it is third order derivative. But degree is not defined. Reason, the given equation is not a polynomial equation because e power y dash means e power dy by dx. It is not a polynomial equation term because polynomial equation term means x power n. This n should not be equal to rational number. Here e power y dash is also similar term. For example, it is not a proper term. It not belongs to any polynomial equation. Therefore, it is not a polynomial equation. Now, polynomial equation only have degree. Therefore, it is not defined. Degree is not defined. It is chapter number 9, differential equation, example number 4. This problem under the heading formation of differential equation. The question is, form the differential equation representing the family of curves y is equal to mx, where m is arbitrary constant. Consider the given equation y is equal to mx. Find the differentiation of y, that is dy by dx. Mx differentiation just m because x is differentiation 1. So dy by dx is equal to m, or another way we can consider m value is equal to dy by dx. Now substitute this constant term value, that is the way the number is equal to dy by dx. Therefore, we can substitute m value is equal to dy by dx in equation number 1. So equation number 1 will become y is equal to m value dy by dx, then x. This equation free from constant m. Therefore, we can consider y minus dy by dx x equal to 0. This is the required differential equation. So similar way, with the given equation containing any one parameter, we want to remove the parameter by using differentiation. Here the final answer y minus dy by dx into x is equal to 0. This differential equation free from the parameter m. Therefore, this is the required solution. Thank you. This is chapter 9, example 6. Form the differential equation representing the family of ellipses having foci and x-axis and a center at the origin. So now imagine the standard ellipse. This is the family of ellipse. Center is always origin and foci always lying on the x-axis. Therefore, the standard form, I mean the major axis along x-axis, therefore because the lengthy axis x-axis, this is minor axis y-axis, major axis x-axis means this is the equation of ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Suppose major axis y-axis means you want to interchange a and b, that's all. Next, differentiate x square, that is 2x by a square, y square 2y by b square, y differentiation dy by dx, 1 differentiation 0. Then here put divided by 2, therefore x by a square plus y by b square equal to dy by dx. Then consider x by a square on right side, this is negative. Next, you want to interchange the letters b square and x, therefore this x will be left side, b square will be right side. This is the answer. Now you want to differentiate again, therefore this is like u, this is like v, so u will be same, v differentiation d square y by dx square. Next, dy by dx will be same, that is v will be same, differentiate u only. This is again like u by v, therefore find differentiation of y by x, y dash x minus y x, that this is like u dash v minus u v dash by v square means x square. Then multiply by x square, here x square means x and x cancel, remaining one x, here x square means x square and x square cancel, this is the answer. Next we want to distribute dy by dx into this, therefore dy by dx into dy by dx, dy by dx the whole square into x minus y into dy by dx, this is the final answer. This equation represents the differential equation of family of ellipses having foci on x-axis and a center at the origin. Now this is chapter number 9, problem number 7. Form the differential equation of the family of circles touching the x-axis at origin. So note the diagram, it's just rough diagram. There are many circles, I will consider few. Here this circle touches the origin. So we can draw many circles, not only this, we can draw many circles touches the origin. Therefore, I will imagine let C be the family of circle touching x-axis at origin. This is my assumption, capital C. Next I will take the center. Let 0, a be the coordinates of the center of any member of the family of circles. For example, I will consider the circle. Here center is like, this is center of the circle. Then consider the second circle, this is the center. For example, the circle always touches origin, therefore we want to consider center placed on the y-axis. So center is placed on the y-axis means the x value should be 0. This is x value. A will be any one of the number. So assume the 2, C and 0, a. Next, equation of family of circles. Equation of family of circle, that is I will consider x square plus y minus a the whole square equal to a square. Actual circle equation is x square plus y square equal to a square. This is general equation. But now not y square, you want to imagine y minus a the whole square. Reason, this is center origin 0, 0, that is the circle equation x square plus y square equal to a square. Suppose center is not origin means you want to consider x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to a square. Here h value 0, k value a. Therefore x minus 0 means x square, y minus a the whole square equal to a square. This is the equation. Next, multiply the value x square, this is y minus a the whole square means y square minus 2ya plus a square, then last a square. This is like a minus b the whole square. A square and a square cancel, right side will be 0. Consider minus 2ya in right side, that is plus 2ya. From this we can find the differentiation, that is x square differentiation 2x, y square differentiation 2y, y dash, 2ya differentiation 2 into a into y differentiation y dash. Next, divided by 2, therefore x, this is y, y dash, this is a, y dash. From this we can find what is a. A is equal to x plus y, y dash by y dash. This is the value of a. From this we can find what is a. Consider a only right side, remaining will be denominator. So y dash will be denominator, a equal to this. Now we want to substitute this a value in equation number 1. So x square plus y square equal to 2y into a value. That is x square plus y square plus 2y into a value. Next, x square plus y square, then y dash into left side, therefore y dash equal to here 2y into x, 2y into y dash, that is 2y square y dash. Then x square into y dash, y square into y dash, then 2yx in left side minus 2yx, then this is also in left side. Here the first term, the second term, then last term containing y dash, so take y dash is common, then write the remaining. Then this minus 2yx will be in right side plus 2xy. Then this is x square, this is y square, it is minus 2y square. So combine the two, we get minus y square, because it is 1y square minus 2y square, therefore minus y square. Then consider x square minus y square in right side denominator, therefore 2xy by x square minus y square. This is the value of y dash. This is the required differential equation of the family of circles. That's all. This is chapter number 9, differential equation, example number 8. Form the differential equation representing the family of parabolas having vertex at origin and axis along positive direction of x-axis. So here you want to consider equation of the parabola y square equal to 4ax. Next, differentiate this equation. So y square differentiation 2x. This is y square differentiation 2x. Y differentiation, that is y dash, equal to 4a into x differentiation 1. So answer 4a is equal to 2y y dash. This is answer for 4a. So we can replace this particular place by using 4a value. So y square equal to 4a value is 2y y dash x. So this equation will become y square equal to 2y y dash x. Y square minus, consider this term in left side, therefore 2y y dash x equal to 0. Then substitute what is y dash, dy by dx. This is the required differential equation. This equation represents the family of parabolas. This is chapter number 9, differential equation, example number 9. Find the general solution of the differential equation dy by dx equal to x plus 1 by 2 minus y. Here y value not equal to 2 because denominator 2 minus y. If y equal to 2, 2 minus 2 will be 0. So it is in determinant form. So y not equal to 2. Solution. Consider the given differential equation dy by dx equal to x plus y by x 2 minus y. Do the cross multiplication. Therefore dx in right side, x plus 1 into dx. This 2 minus y will be in left side, 2 minus y into dy. Then 2 into dy minus y into dy, x into dx, 1 into dx. Next 2 dy minus y dy equal to x dx plus dx. Take integral in all the terms. Consider integral for each and every terms. Integral 2 means 2 into with respect to y, therefore y, 2y. Y integration value y square by 2. X integration value x square by 2. Then integral dx answer x plus some constant, that is c1. Now consider all the terms in left side. Therefore this x square by 2 will be minus x square by 2. This x will be minus x in left side. This c1 will be minus c1. Next multiplied by 2. Therefore the first answer will be 4y. Second will be y square. This will be only x square. It is 2 into x. This is 2 into c1. Next take 2c1 equal to c, therefore 2c1 value c. Then change the symbol of all the terms, therefore minus x square will be plus x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus this is c equal to 0. This is the required equation. The question is find the general solution of the differential equation. This is the solution of the differential equation.